Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing something a little bit different on my channel. Got a new background, and you guys will kind of catch on to the theme. You'll realize that I have a new background for the different types of videos that I'm doing. Green is beauty. Green is skincare combo. Today I haven't played around with makeup too much on my channel. I did do my quarantine glow up. I'll link that below. And I did kind of speed through putting makeup on. But today we're actually going to play with some makeup. Specifically, we are trying out the Morphe 2 line. So if you guys want to see how I got this natural looking makeup look, go ahead and keep on watching. But first, before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. All right guys, so let's get into it. I don't know what this was. Okay guys, so as you heard in the intro, today we're going to be trying out the Morphe 2 line. Admittedly, I rarely ever purchase makeup outside of the drugstore. It's just, I'm not huge on makeup. I literally grew up as a tomboy and I literally had to go to YouTube to figure out how to do my makeup as I got older. I do go for more of the natural makeup look. And so I was intrigued when they came out with this Morphe 2. Obviously, the fact that those two TikTok stars, Charlie and Dixie D'Amelio, are on the face of it helps them. It doesn't necessarily sway me either way. And so this is the skin tint. I like the bottle. It's frosted glass. It's heavy. It makes it look kind of expensive. I do like the fact that there's a dropper that does make it easy for application. 1 fluid ounce. I mean, it doesn't seem like a lot, to be honest. Now, so what I'm going to be comparing it to, or what I normally use, is the Neutrogena Protect and Tint. It's just a tinted moisturizer. I switched to that after a while because I just was tired of the heavy foundation that I felt like I had to wear all the time. And especially just when I started making more videos and things like that, I was just like, man, I really just don't want to have to put on all this makeup all the time just to feel like I'm looking presentable on camera. And so a tint is definitely more preferable for me. I'm not going to do like one on the other. I just want to see how it's going to wear. And I want to show you guys, and so I'm just going to talk about my first impression. The one thing that I wasn't able to get, which honestly I'm not too bothered by, is the shimmer. The eyelid shimmer thing. Although they were cute, there wasn't a lot of shades, and honestly, like, I have a decent palette that I like. So first I'm just going to go in and apply a little bit of primer, mainly on my T of my face. Kind of a trick, or what I've been doing lately, is I've been doing light mist with some setting spray. Now, I recently got my eyebrows microbladed and my eyelashes filled, so I am going to try to cover this here. I don't want it, but I put a tad bit of setting spray on first to kind of act as a primer. Oh, I just drip makeup. I probably should have something down. That's quite runny. Yeah, that's like super liquidy. Like, I just feel like it's gonna drip everywhere. Okay, so I'm going in with a sponge. We're gonna tap. So it does say sheer to medium. It seems like it's buildable, for sure. So because of everything that's going on right now, I actually went into Ulta, and you can't test any products that are in their display right now, obviously. And so, sorry, I'm trying to be super careful with my brows because I cannot rub or scrub this makeup off. They're super fresh, guys. I got them done like last week. Oh, I did vlog my whole experience about my eyebrows and my lashes. So I will link that video below if you want to go check it out. And if you're just kind of curious about the process, if you're thinking about getting your eyebrows microbladed or getting eyelash extensions, I go a little bit more into depth with the eyebrows just because I've been getting my eyelashes done since around the end of May, early June. And the appointment that I vlogged was just a fill, so. Okay. I think I got off track a little bit, but that's not bad of a color match, to be honest. Sorry, I'm just trying to look here and see the difference on camera. That's not bad. I'm a bit darker right now than normal because I have kind of been in the sun quite frequently for the past like 4 weekends. I've been in the sun. So that's one layer, but you can definitely still see like all my blemishes and like, so. But like I said, it's light to medium coverage. It's not full coverage. So we're gonna go ahead and do like another coat. I think what I'm gonna like about this is obviously I can build it up, but because it's a tint, and like I said, it's liquidy, it's very lightweight, I'm not gonna feel cakey. I'm not gonna really even feel like there's anything on my skin. That's kind of what I'm anticipating here. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so drippy. Like I'm literally, if I spill this on my new jeans, I'm gonna be pissed. Okay. It's kind of the only complaint. And I know that I'm not gonna be able to, you're not gonna put it on the sponge. It's so liquidy, the sponge is gonna absorb it in like 2 seconds. Okay. On an everyday, I want to be covered because of my skin, but I also just don't want to feel like I have a crap ton of makeup on. And that's just the truth. Okay. It blends out very nicely. Definitely blends really well. And it really just looks like my skin. Like it doesn't look like I really have anything on. Obviously you can tell I have something covering on if you see me in person, just because like I said, you can see the pore texture on my cheeks and then like the little blemishes here and there, but that's not bad actually. Okay, so that's the Hint Skin Tint. It's, like I said, sheer to medium coverage. It says shake gently, so you definitely want to shake it before you use it, which I did do. And my color is Hint of Walnut, which is for medium with neutral golden undertones. And I honestly think it's like a perfect, literally perfect match for me. Wow, I really like that. Good job. Normally after this, I would go in with some concealer and conceal my under eyes and my little blemishes here. But I kind of want to just go in with the products that I was able to get first and just see like, okay, this is all they're offering in their range. They don't offer concealer, they don't offer a bronzer, they don't offer any of those things because it's supposed to just look natural. And for me, like I said, that's my goal. That's the reason why I got my eyebrows microbladed. That's the reason why I have the lashes on, because I don't really want to have to do much. And so if this is all I can do, that would be wonderful. So we're not going to add other products at this time. The second product I was able to get is one of their blushes. So this is the, it's upside down, but that's, I have to read it. Anyways, so this is the Wonder Tint Cheek and Lip Mousse in Dream. So that's nice. Honestly, this was the only color they had left, but this was the color that I was going for anyway. Now, I don't know how I'm supposed to get this out with these monstrosity of nails, because normally you probably would just be able to dip your finger into it, which is kind of difficult for me to do. It's very soft and silky. Obviously, you want to bring some color back to your face, so that's smart. I see why it's like, okay, you have the skin tint and then you have the blush, because you do flatten out your face when you do put it on. So we're just gonna kind of lightly tap, 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 tap to blend it a little. I don't think I need to put I don't like a whole bunch of blush anyways, and so this is nice. Just bring some color back to my cheeks. What's quite interesting is I didn't bronze or anything, but it looks like I did. For some reason, like my face is super carved out and it's really highlighted right here. It kind of looks like I already did all that, which I don't know. I guess that's to the benefit of the skin tint. Obviously, when I get close, we see something different. The last product that is offered, well, they had the sheer gloss, but I'm not really a glossy person. I actually prefer a matte lip. But then I saw this glossified lip oil. And it had a little bit of a color. So got this. It looks honestly, it just reminds me of the lip glosses from back in the day. I'm a 90s kid, so this is like really. It says Shining Moment. Pamper that pout with moringa, jojoba, and coconut oil for shiny, super moisturized lips and a sheer wash of color. A sheer wash of color. So it's really not going to look probably like anything. So that's pretty much it. I'm not mad at this, guys. I'm actually liking this a lot. I'm gonna pick up just a little bit more blush, but with a brush instead. Because I can't really pull. I just want to bring a little bit more color to my cheeks and kind of use that almost as a contour. I'm gonna drag it up a little bit onto my cheekbones, but I just needed a little something. Sometimes I put blush above my arch right here on my forehead. So yeah, let's just do that a little bit right here. But I wouldn't put it anywhere else other than there, because I usually, like I said, I bronze and this is so pretty, guys. Did I really just like essentially call myself pretty? Guess so. You should tell yourself that you're pretty every single day, honestly. Yeah, no, it's very natural and it's very minimal and I really like it. As far as first impressions go, this is definitely like a thumbs up. All right, guys, so this is pretty much it for the makeup look. They only have 4 products in this Morphe 2 line. It's the tint, the blush, the lip gloss, and then the eye things. But there were none at the store, so I can't do the eye shimmers. But I'm sure they're great and like minimal and they look good. Yeah, I like this. Obviously, like I said, you can still see my imperfections, but I don't mind it. I look awake. I didn't have to put any concealer on. So yeah, I give this a thumbs up. We're gonna check wearability. I am gonna set it because that's only fair. I set most products, like most times, even if I'm just putting on a tint, because I do want it to last. So we're gonna go ahead and set the face, and then I'll come back in a few hours and we'll check wearability. I rubbed off here, a little bit here because I fell asleep like this. So I'm pretty sure all the makeup's in my hair. But yeah, it went on great, but it's definitely, I look really oily. So I don't really like that. I mean, I guess I still look really natural, like it's a dewy thing, but very oily right here, whereas I don't get that. But I also didn't set it with any kind of powder at all. So tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna put it on again, and this time I'm gonna set it with a powder, and then we'll see how that looks instead. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I think that the product is great. I really like it. I'm actually happy that I decided to go ahead and review this and purchase it, but I think this is great for people who just want to look more fresh, more smooth, and I guess put together without having to be super cakey, and this is awesome. So I love this. I highly recommend it. I don't want to like say, hey, go out and buy it, because obviously the I'm not sponsored or anything by this, but if you like kind of how this looked on me, or if you feel like you have some of the same skin issues that I do, like I said about like the texture of your skin, or if you just have some like blemishes here and there, but I don't really feel the need to like go in and conceal my blemishes. Like, I don't mind. My skin's not perfect. I'm not trying to walk around here like it is perfect. At the end of the day, this is perfect for me. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys decide to try the Morphe 2 line, just let me know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm going to be honest, obviously my brows and my lashes are definitely pulling all of this together. If I didn't have those done, I would be adding some mascara and filling in my brows for sure. But this is so nice. Honestly, having my lashes done and my brows, honestly guys, it is amazing. It really eliminates like an entire like section of my makeup routine, and it makes me feel like I can just like get up and go. And then now with this Morphe 2 skin tint, yeah, this is, I'm probably gonna ditch like every other drugstore product that I have. Good job, Morphe. Okay, anyways, I think I keep saying I'm done, and then I go back, and then I'm done, and I go back. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Okay. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the, oh my God. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. And until next time, guys, much love.